Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a GeForce Experience error code. It's pretty complicated, so I made a notion here, but try not to skip any steps. So let's go through it one by one. Step 1, restart NVIDIA services. So type WinR to open the run dialog, or just type run. Type in services.msc right here. Now locate the following services: NVIDIA Display Container and NVIDIA Local System. Right click on each service and select Properties, and ensure the startup is automatic. So right here. And if the service is not running, click Start right here. That's the first thing you want to do, so let's move on to number 2. Step number 2, reset network adapter. So open the command prompt as administrator. So type in W command prompt, say right click, run as administrator, hit yes when it prompts you to do so. Type the command nsc winsock.reset. And restart your computer. I don't want to restart my computer, but try that. Then check and fix the installation location. So make sure that it's installed in this location. In order to do that, open File Explorer, go here, copy and paste it. I have it installed here. If it's not installed here, uninstall it and reinstall it into the default directory. After you've done that, perform a clean installation. So I'll put this in the video description. This is a cleanup tool from NVIDIA. It will download this. Run the tool to remove all traces of NVIDIA software and drivers, and reinstall the latest drivers from GeForce Experience on the website. Okay, let me skip a couple of steps because they're not relevant to Windows 11. For step 7, you can verify the logs if you want to. Here are the steps to do it. Step 8, I'm sure everyone knows how to allow process to a firewall. Step 9, you can switch to NVIDIA App Beta. So you have to uninstall the GeForce Experience and download and install the NVIDIA App Beta from NVIDIA's website here. I'll put the link on the video description, or you can just Google it, NVIDIA App Beta, and see if this resolves the issue. And step 10, of course, update and reinstall Windows if nothing else works. Okay, that is it. If it helped you, please leave the video a like. If this didn't help, leave the video a comment. This video took a lot of effort to make, so I would appreciate it if you can leave any kind of positive comment. Thank you very much.